In today's Procreate tutorial, you will learn how to draw this landscape illustration step by step. You can download the color palette through the link in the description below. Let's get started. Select the monoline brush and randomly draw a circle. Hold your pen and tap on the screen with one finger to get a perfect circle. Click on Edit Shape, you can move it to the center. Drag the color to fill it. Switch to this color and draw a line below the halfway. Hold your pen at the end, then use one finger to tap for a straight line. Let's draw the mountains. Make sure you close the shape to be able to fill it. Click on the layer and enable clipping mask. Create a new layer and select this color to draw the mountains in the front. Turn on clipping mask. At this stage, you can refine the shapes. And you can also move the mountains down or up to suit your need. Create a new layer and select the dark color to draw the plant. Draw a curve and hold, then click on Edit Shape. The line doesn't have to be perfect as you can drag the points to change it. Draw another curve and pick the color to fill it. Let's duplicate this layer and click on the arrow icon. Then click on the green point to rotate it. Duplicate the layer again and rotate it to the right angle. If you need to edit the shape, you can use the wrap tool as well. Now merge the three layers to one layer. Turn on clipping mask. You can move it around if you need. Go back to layers and use two fingers, tap on a layer and swipe to the right to turn on alpha lock of all the layers. Select a soft texture brush of your own choice. Let's add some gradient texture to the illustration. Feel free to pause anytime to see the layers and colors. Go back to the background, add some blue on the bottom, and add the purple color on the top. Now let's create the reflection of the mountains. Merge the mountain layers and duplicate the new layer. Click on the arrow and choose Flip Vertical. Then move it down. You can drag the reflection layer below the mountain layer and reduce the opacity into around 50%. Let's use the eraser with the texture brush to soften the bottom part of the reflection. Add a new layer and let's draw the moon. Use the monoline brush and draw a small circle. Hold and tap with one finger and fill it. Select the eraser tool and use the monoline brush, draw a smaller circle on the top right side. Then erase the rest part. Duplicate this layer and select the bottom one. Go to Adjustments and click on Gaussian Blur. Choose Layer, select your pencil to the right to adjust the value to around 80%. Add another layer to draw the stars. You can reduce the brush size to draw some smaller stars. You can click on the playlist for more simple landscape tutorial like this, since we have just finished this one. Have some fun drawing landscapes, and see you next time.